going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about our 9701 XJ tail lights. I'm just going to work through this wiring with you, and then I'll go in the Jeep and actually run through all the lights and show you that everything, is working right. So when you first take your tail lights apart, you're going to have 3 bulbs. Now the one, you're going to want to mark your reverse light. Figure out which wires are coming off of your reverse light and keep them wires together, because when you go to wire in your reverse light, you're going to need the ground and the positive off of this reverse light. So keep those 2 wires together when you cut them off. That is going to be the brown with the green stripe and a black for the ground. The brown with the green is going to go to the white for the reverse, and the black is going to go to the black for the reverse. Now this converter is going to be already wired up. These lights will be wired in here. All you will have to do is connect these wires. But just to go through it real quick, the whites are connected to the white here, the blacks are connected to the brown, and the red and the green are together. So you can get a good view of what that looks like. This is what it should look like for a 9701 Jeep. Now up here, we have the white with the orange stripe connected to the red. We have the green connected to the green. And we have both grounds that we cut off of our other 2 lights connected to the white. And I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be a dark brown wire connected to the brown. So I'm just gonna go turn the lights on and run through all these lights so you guys can see what's going on.